Yeah, another question we often get is, does SYMSON help with the data quality improvement? And that's just a frequently asked question we like to discuss here. The answer is yeah, yes and no. Yes, we give you, based upon the current quality, recommendations how to improve that score. So as already said, we have a minimum score of minus 0.4 to make the data quality to make the data qualitative enough for price elasticity. However, this is based upon the count score, the variance, and the correlation. And of course, you cannot influence everything. You can influence the count score to a certain extent to sell more, but yeah, with slow movers, this is a challenge. But the variance score you can influence, because you can start with experimenting in a way how we just described it, to get more variance in the data and to see if you can see what's the right price elasticity to make the data more mature enough for applying elasticity scores later on. So yes, we give suggestions. You cannot always control them, but the ones that you can control, yeah, you can work with to improve the data quality.